Okay. Okay, students, today is the video number 2. Today is 20/05/2020, and we are going to learn about short adjectives. Okay, we have 3 different columns. Pay attention why I divide the columns in 3 parts. Okay, in the first part we have the short adjective with, cheap, short, long, tall, thin, and fat. Okay, in the other column we have pretty, ugly, dry, and happy. And in the third column we have the adjective fun, big, and hot. Okay, students, we are going to pass with the long adjectives. The long adjectives are the next. Expensive, difficult, beautiful, important, interesting, dangerous, incredible, and intelligent. But today, students, we are going to use the adjectives with superlative sentences and comparative sentences, okay? We are going to use them with a special ending. Okay, students, in the short adjectives, we are going to use these words or these letters to make the adjectives in comparative form. For example, is weather, cheaper, shorter, longer, taller, thinner, and fatter. Okay, students, in the second category, we are going to erase the letter Y, and we are going to change for the letter I, and write the adjective is prettier, uglier, drier, and happier. Okay? Okay. But in the third column, students, we are going to add other consonants in fun, in big, and in hot, and write the letters ER. Funnier, sorry, I forget to write the letter I. But in this case, it's bigger and hotter, okay? But pay attention, you add other consonants in the third column, okay? But we have other kind of short adjectives. Well, they are very different. Why? Because these kind of adjectives don't have the same rule. For example, for good, in comparative sentences, we are going to use better. And for bad, we are going to use worse. But in this case, it's only for comparative sentences. But what happens with this kind of adjectives when we want to talk about superlative sentences? Oh, we need to change these letters, okay? And it's necessary that you realize the table in your notebook. Why? Because the letters are very different. For example, we have, in this case, in superlative form, I'm going to change this paper, and we are going to talk about a superlative form, okay? And in superlative form, students, we are going to add EST. In this case, it's wettest, cheapest, shortest, longest, tallest, and thinnest. But what happened with the other category? We are going to add the same letters, but change again the letter Y for the letter I. Prettiest, ugliest, driest, and happiest. But in this case, it's the same, okay? We are going to erase these letters and then we are going to add E-S-T. Funniest, biggest, and hottest. But this case is about superlative sentences. And in the special adjectives, we have good, better, and best for superlative. And the adjective words in superlative form for the short adjectives, okay? But we are going to learn about the long adjectives. Pay attention, please.